So this set of files also displays another common error. So here I can see my center of pressure X and Y are pretty high, and I can see from this first trial that the force vector is closer to the origin than the CalTester tickets. And if I scroll through most of my files, I'm kind of going to find this similar error. So my Y, I have this positive error on this side of the platform, and if I go to the other side, my Y error is negative, and you can see this vector is closer to the origin. If I go to the trial where the CalTester rod is closest to the origin, I can see that they almost line up almost exactly. Another way to view this is to select all of your trials and hit this Animate All Active Files button. This actually lets you see all of the trials with their force vectors. So it's a little hard to see because there's so much data, but you can actually see that the force vectors are all a little bit closer to the top center surface than the center of pressure really should be. So for this example, this error is actually being caused by a bad scale factor. So you can see your scale factors in the Signals and Events tab, and as long as you have only one file active, you have this Parameters section. So under Parameters, Analog, Scale, you can see here's a list of scale factors. And channels 1 through 12 are going to correspond to your force platform parameter channels. So force, modify force platform parameters, and we're looking at force platform 2. So we're looking at channels 7 through 12. So in this example, these scale factors are set to 1.5, but they should really be set to 1. Most commonly, this error is caused by the scale factors being defined incorrectly in the hardware, but you can also define them incorrectly in the motion capture software. So you definitely want to make sure that all of these values are correct.